Let's try our new Keurig. Okay, so this is the setup. She's super cute. This is the Keurig that does hot drinks and cold drinks, so I'm gonna do a cold one. I don't like hot coffee, I like the iced. The K-Cup that we're trying is the McDonald's iced mocha frap flavor. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna feel about it because I'm not the biggest mocha fan, but I love their caramel fraps, so I thought I would just give it a try anyways. The instructions say to not use a glass cup for iced drinks, but I am anyways because I don't have any other cups. Sorry, Ryan, when you see this, I apologize in advance and I won't do it again, I swear. It looks so good. I can't wait to try.